Welcome back to Daytime Live. Yes, it is your favorite, you're lucky, it is your favorite daytime show. And if you thought it's all fun and games here on Daytime Live, well, you're right, because we're about to turn things up a notch.
That's right.
I love it.
In this segment, we will team up with audience members for a high-energy speed challenge. So each team will battle it out in 2 rounds of Smak Dat, Catch and Stack, and Memory Sprint, all in a bid to score the most points.
All right, so these interactive games were actually built in Jamaica by iShack in partnership with Motion Visual Production, also known as MVP, and that's a local tech innovator. Now, they designed and engineered everything here in Jamaica and Kingston, so they were able to combine cutting-edge technology with hands-on craftsmanship. Oh, yes.
The iShack is a self-taught tech pioneer with over 25 years of phygital experience. And he has created flying cameras, equipped RC helicopters, and interactive installations for events across the island. This isn't imported tech. It's built right here. It's proud Jamaican innovation.
All right, so players were already briefed about the games, so let the fun, Christina is like, really? Let the fun begin. You know what to do? In 5, 4, 3, 2, Smak Dat! Christina, you make Grace beat you. You make Grace beat you. Oh my, Grace is winning. Grace is winning. Anybody who win for my team. Me go with Grace because Spice named Grace too, you know.
Spice named Grace.
Yeah. Come on, Grace, you can do it. You can do it. You have to big up Christina. Come now. Go, Christina, Grace. Do it, Grace.
General, man.
Yeah, Grace.
Christina, come, Christina.
With that, Grace.
Yeah.
Come on, Grace. Beat them.
Christina,
Smack that,
go.
Grace.
Green.
Oh, we know when never finish.
Yellow, green.
Go on, Grace.
Just press
it. All right.
Press it hard.
You finish? Keep going.
No, when the first person
to get to 100. Go, Grace.
Go,
Grace.
Go.
And Grace is going. And Grace is winning. And Grace is increasing her numbers. And she's at 86, 89, 90, 93, 94, 97, 100.
Boy. All right, Sunny.
All right, come. Next one.
Yeah, you. May I show you?
I'm not looking forward to this because this boy is a gamer, you know. So this is Catch and Stack.
No, we're going to play. Which one we're playing? We're playing the Catch and Stack, man. The Catch and Stack, yes. All right, Z and CT.
Oh, it go now?
Can't beat me in this, right? That's what you're supposed to push.
Wait.
Touch the button. And then it go and drop, and you're supposed to catch it. So you have to focus.
We have to focus. Oh boy, I know which one I'll drop.
You don't know?
Oh my God.
Dong.
Oh boy, I'm nervous.
Can't beat, you know. See there? Can't beat, you know.
One must do.
Aye. All right.
Mama, mother.
Already.
I'm gonna cry. Mine isn't working.
You know?
It's working.
You don't know?
I can't breathe. I'm not breathing.
All right. Christina, you go play the memory race.
You finished?
Yeah, last
You got
time.
all of them?
What do you mean?
That's not fair.
I'm general. One. But catch it, but
one fell? Yeah. I think mine's stuck. Okay, mine isn't falling. Can I move now? Can I go? All right. So I won power because one fell from you.
Whatcha? No.
Yeah, none fell from me.
Probability.
The rest not coming down.
All right, so Christina and Grace are gonna play the
Come on.
memory game.
Over here, memory game.
All right,
Grace,
so
remember you're my girl, you know. You're my girl, Grace.
Press the 2-player button.
Look first before you step.
To 100.
Take off. Oh. Look first before you step.
All right.
Look.
All right, so step on it.
You never look.
So you go. All right, hold on.
Ready? Wait for it.
Look at the pattern.
Look.
White, blue,
go.
white, green.
Go.
White, blue.
The pattern.
White, green. Green.
You got it? Two of them.
All right,
0.
Go back on it. Go back.
All right. Look.
Press on it.
And then step.
All right, come in. Hold on. Let Son make way. Go.
Oh my Mine never work.
And then you come back.
Mine defective. Wait. Oh, I'm not step the right place.
Go!
No, man. Mine not scoring. Mine isn't scoring.
Go!
Green, yellow, white, white. All right, you go now. Your turn, Christina. I take Sunny. Shall rig the game?
Starting over. Go.
All right, press on it again.
Go!
You see, mine not score.
Ooh.
Mine not score. We win.
Oh.
Me and Grace win. Me and Grace win. And that's
By
it for
default.
Daytime Live today. We won. Okay. Thank you so much. They
Fight
came
on.
like third.
Fight. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for staying
The
with
light
us here on
and
Daytime Live. When do we come back? When does
I'll
Daytime Live
see you
come
again
back?
on Tuesday, same place, same time, right here on TVJ. Big up
Right
on
here.
yourself.
Okay, 1:05 p.m.
Yeah,
We win.
Christina, go ahead. No.
We win.
All right, better.
Money.